So hi everybody. Today I'm going to present to you the LandingZone Thunderbolt 3 docking station, which is a brand new product from the LandingZone. And it's interesting because now we have a distinctive docking station from LandingZone, whereas before they only had these, the ones where you plug in your PC, your laptop in it, which also only works for a specific type of device. Now we have a LandingZone docking station that can also be used with several types of devices, as I think. So it's a brand new device, and it's funny because I didn't really find anything about it, but it really fits exactly the needs I had, and it took me a long time to see what docking station I would need for my MacBook Pro 15. And yeah, it's my first hands-on. I will unbox this now for you, and it's, yeah, so on the question where to buy that, I found it only on the LandingZone website, where they sell it for $299. The shipping price was so expensive to Germany, it would have been more than the actual product itself. So I ended up searching for other websites or selling shops in Europe, and I only found DisplayPort, which is a German electronic device shop, and it's funny because they are the only ones who sell it. We will see if it will be sold in other countries and shops in the next weeks. I couldn't find it until now. Yeah, DisplayPort, I will put the link down in the description box. Sells it for I think 449 euros. So they put a higher price, but that comes also from the fact that they have the monopoly and they also had to cover the shipping. So yeah, so now let's dive into the unboxing. So as you see, there's a nice box here. It's like out of paper. It's nothing so fancy. There's the nice picture of the device and the side description, title, and on the back you can see the ports already. Yeah. So, but we'll come to that in a second. Yeah, so let's dive into this. I can slide this open. Yeah, come here. Here it is. So now we get this kind of ugly brown box. Let's see how to open it. Here, maybe. Yeah, opens from the side, and here it is already. So it comes on the top. It's a nice aluminium finish. Set this aside for a second. So what comes with it is the really big charging device, which, yeah, kind of is almost as big as the device itself, the dock itself. It comes with the power cable, Thunderbolt 3 cable, which is nice. I think it's a 0.5 meter cable, and yeah, an adapter, but which I will not need here in Europe. And yeah, the notice. Okay, so let's see. Put this aside. So here it is. Put this, let's open it up. Oh, feels good. So it's smaller as I thought. Feels nice. It's handy. It has this nice aluminum finish, but otherwise it's a plastic unibody kind of design. Yeah, and nothing more to say, I think. So it says LandingZone full function Thunderbolt 3 dock. So yeah, let's start. So ports wise, let's start here. We have the button to power it on and off, which is nice, so you can easily power it on and power it off. We have the LEDs for function and maybe some port function. I don't know what exactly they do. On the front, so we have this one of the two USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type C ports that is capable of up to 10 gigabytes per second of data transfer. Then we have the SD 4.0 card reader, which is the really nice one and really handy for photographers and content creators. Then we have, and this is the only one, it is the one, I think, yeah, USB type A 3.0 powered port, which can power up your device, so you can charge your phone on this one, etc., which is very handy because it's on the front. And then you have this two-way, I think it says here that it's a two-way audio pod, so you can also put a mic or something you need for your audio devices. Yeah, so let's turn it around, or let's look at the side first. So here, as it is a landing zone, one of the main characteristics of landing zone products is they have these Kensington locks on them. So if you put this somewhere in public, you can lock it up so nobody can take it. On the other side, there's nothing. And on the back, now that's where it gets interesting. We have three USB 3.0, 3.0 type A ports, which are not powered. And this is one of the main points I had when I searched for a dock. I know that there are several ones that are very nice out there, but most of them have powered USB 3.0 ports, which can come in handy. But if you have devices that don't actually need the power, they will not function as well as if you have unpowered ones, because some devices need to be shut down. And if you shut down your PC or your laptop, these devices, due to the power the USB ports give, will not shut down normally, which maybe leads to a device still having lights on, which could disturb at night, or a hard drive that keeps on working and which does noise or something like that. So that's, for me, one of the main reasons I wanted unpowered ones. Then we have the we have the Gigabit Ethernet port, which, if I'm not mistaken, grants up to 10 gigabits per second. And we have the second one of the USB 3.1 Type C ports, which, as I said, support 10 gigabits per second of data transfer. Then we have the DisplayPort, which is very handy, especially if you have a good monitor. DisplayPorts are very good means to connect your monitor to your PC. Very reliable, offers a high rate of hertz, and it is capable of 4K, to put a 4K display at 60 hertz, and it's a DisplayPort 1.4 standard. So right aside to that, we have the Thunderbolt 3 port, which can also be used as a DisplayPort. We can put your monitor, if you have a monitor that is USB-C capable or Thunderbolt 3 capable, you can connect it to this, or put an adapter to it to connect an HDMI cable or DisplayPort cable. So you can have a dual display setup by 4K, resolution of 4K at 60 hertz. The DisplayPort singly used supports a 5K display even at 60 hertz. So then, on the right side, you have the connection for your laptop, actually, where you will connect the Thunderbolt 3 cable. And this dock also enables to charge your laptop up to 85 watts, which is enough to charge the Macbook Pro 15. And this is exactly what I needed. And yeah, last but not least, we have the power input for the dock itself, which, as I said, is kind of a big bulky thing, but you will be able to cable manage it or put it behind your desk. Yeah. So in total, this dock is not very like made to take with you when you go for a business trip, or if you go somewhere. It's something you get to sit on your desk, and if you come home, you just plug in your PC and your laptop, and you have everything you need on it. That's very handy. So As I said, I didn't find any reviews or many articles yet on this product, which makes it kind of exciting for me because I have to discover it myself, and I may be back with another video when I have tested it for some weeks, and so I can tell you more about how it functions and if it's reliable or not. Yeah, I must say, for the moment, I'm really happy to have found it because it absolutely 100% serves my needs. It has 13 ports, and I will be able to plug in my laptop, my MacBook Pro, with one cable and have everything I need on one device. So yeah, this is how it will look if it sits on the table. And hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a thumbs up if you want to, and see you.